Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Someone said on my last video, where is the high-pitched intro gone? So that was for you. But anyway, you have read by the title, very exciting video. I actually did my hair myself. This is the first time since I've got it cut to this length that I've styled it myself. Obviously, when I cut it, they were only styling it in Paris. But when I got back, I went to the salon 2 times to get my hair styled because I had so much pain in my wrist that I couldn't hold the blow dryer. And now I have styled it myself. Look at the length. I feel like I did a good job. I used the Dyson Airwrap situation, the curler, and also the most asked question on my last video was about what top I was wearing. So I've added it in the description of that video. It's just easier for everyone to find it there. So I've added it because I put it on a story, it'll disappear in like 24 hours. So that way you can just keep clicking on that link. Okay, anyway, very exciting video. I am actually doing 3 rice paper recipes in this video. Guess what? I have actually never made anything with rice paper in my life. So let's go to the kitchen. I'm actually very excited for this because literally my whole feed right now is rice paper recipes. And the craziest, most exciting thing I have seen so far, someone has made rice paper aloo paratha. Aloo paratha is just, it has a special place in my heart. So when I saw someone attempt to make it in rice paper, and it actually looked really nice. So I'm very curious to see how that turns out. So the first thing we're trying today is rice paper aloo paratha. Obviously, I've got the hero product. This is the rice paper from Moisoy. I don't know. This is what I found on Blinkit. The first thing we need to make is the aloo filling, which if any of you have made paratha before, you will know how to make it. I have never made aloo paratha before. So you need to boil the potato, then mash the potato, add onion and chili to it, and also add masala to it. I've added red chili powder, amchur powder, salt, a little bit of pepper, coriander powder. That's about it. And then mix the mixture really well. Now comes the tricky part. You have to make the rice paper filling. Let's see what the hype is about.
क्या आवाज ऐसी कैसे अभी नोटबुक से फाड़ा है इसको.
But before we start, I want to clarify one accusation that I'm getting on all of my food videos, which is that I am not feeding my husband any food. And I'm only making one serve meals. I just want to tell you, Addy is recording right now.
That Addy is not interested.
Exactly. He is the most picky eater I know. And this, guys, is the first video he is excited by because he heard the words aloo paratha.
That's
He
true.
is actually a more paneer paratha fan than aloo paratha, which actually even I like paneer paratha, but I just have a special listing for aloo paratha. He got excited by this. He's like, rice paper mein aloo paratha? He thought मैं कुछ Asian recipe बनाने वाली हूँ. And he's like, rice paper mein aloo paratha? And then I told him we are going to try a dessert also. So he got excited for those things. But he is such a picky eater. If there is no sugar in it, if there is no cheese in it, if there is no paneer in it, he is not interested. If there are vegetables in it, he's gonna walk out of the door. He doesn't like dal rice, घर का खाना, कोई भी सब्जी, कुछ भी हो, उसको कोई interest नहीं है.
I'm trying to form better habits.
अरे इतना?
Yeah.
ये कौन सा setup था? किसने form किया ये?
I'm trying.
Trying to form better habits. So I have my aloo mixture. Someone said to spray with water because once you dip the rice paper, there's very little time to work with it. It's very delicate after water reacts with it. So I'm actually going to use the spraying technique and spray it and then put the filling. I can feel your excitement, Adi. खाने के लिए. मैं भी इसी पार्ट के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा excited. ये first हमारा थोड़ा trial and error हो रहा है. The first one actually got stuck to the plate and then I had to remove it from the plate and then now it's stuck to the tawa. Oh,
It's gone only. This was a good idea जो आपने उल्टी प्लेट पे बनाया ना, क्योंकि उसपे आपके पकड़ने का सपोर्ट मिल गया ना नीचे से. ओह, परफेक्ट लग रहा है ना?
but it's not at all wet. Shit, exactly ऐसे हो रहा था reels में.
Perfect ना?
This one's perfect.
This is the failed attempt, and this is the final one.
This one looks so nice. Let's try the failed attempt first.
It might be a bit जैसे light खाने में जैसे पराठा इतना heavy होता है types.
I'm just happy कि आलू पराठा खा रही हूँ मैं.
मेरे को भी वही लग रहा है. Yes.
I'm just eating it after so long that it has clouded my judgment. I am actually confused if this should be this rubbery because I've never had anything with rice paper before. So I don't know which version is the correct one, but the crispy one, I feel it's too crispy because it's
Crispy
not as wet as the first one. Like I didn't get it as wet as the first one. But ये बहुत jelly वाला texture बहुत thick नहीं है.
तभी तो वही तो अच्छा ही लगा मेरे को. ये क्या क्रंच है यार, सुन के मजे आ रहे हैं मेरे को. क्या ही कच्चा है.
That's definitely better than the first one. I just love achar. I feel like achar is just making up for everything that's wrong with this. I don't know how to rate this because it's like if you go to fill this with the atta, this is much easier than actually making the atta dough. I'm talking from like zero cooking experience point of view. I've never made aloo paratha. So from that point of view, this method is definitely easier. This is why I prefer learning the recipe and then showing it to you rather than trying it out because there's so much trial and error and I just feel dumb half the time. Let's move on to the next one. Next up, fingers crossed, this one turns better than our aloo paratha. But we are trying crispy rice paper wraps or spring rolls. We are going to saute some mushroom, carrot, some spring onions, make that into like a stir fry situation. You can also add chicken if you want to add some protein to it, or tofu. I've seen a lot of people do tofu as well. I don't know, for some reason I've not liked tofu so far. I really want to try new recipes where I get myself to like tofu, but so far I don't. So anyway, we've already made the mixture and that is cooling down a little bit. So till then, let's make the dipping sauce. I'm not actually following the recipe that I've seen. I'm just going to add some garlic, green onion, chili oil, soy sauce, and some sesame seeds. And that's going to be my dipping sauce. Now I'm going to get a big bowl and dip my wrap into that. For these wraps, I've seen a lot of people do a double layer of the rice paper to get a really nice crispy thing. So that's what I'm going to do. We are back on the couch to taste the wrap. Spring roll. It's more spring roll. It's so crispy. Oh my god, it's so hot.
It's very crispy. Looks good. मेरे को देखने में तो अच्छा लग रहा है और इसकी जो इसने डिप बनाई है वो तो बहुत ही क्रेजी लग रही है.
Just try it, Nadi. Oh. Soy sauce on the pan. नहीं धुल जाएगा. It's okay. How is it? Mushroom का taste है. I can't. I'm so enjoying it, guys.
It's not bad, but it's not very good.
I'm gonna finish this and then see you back in the kitchen for the next thing. It's now time for something I've been very excited for. This is rice paper mochi. I'm sure you've seen it on your Instagram. It's basically supposed to be Greek yogurt, some type of sweetener and fruits. So I have mango and blueberry. Greek yogurt. This is what I made earlier. I'm just going to put this in the middle and then I'm going to add mango. Then I'm adding some more yogurt.
Crazy नहीं है, गायब हो जाता है एकदम पानी में डालती.
Blueberries. Now it's time to close this. 2 blueberry, 1 mango mochi going into the freezer. How long? 1 hour maybe? We'll check on it.
1 hour to minimum.
Yeah. Out of the fridge, we have the mango and the blueberry mochis. I feel like it's already starting to melt, so maybe I should take a bite. Or should I cut it beach miss? I feel like if I cut it beach miss, it's gonna get really messy. So I'm so cold.
But
This is so hyped up. So hyped up. Guys, it's just yogurt and fruit.
यार प्लास्टिक की थैली खा रहा हूँ यार, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है मेरे को.
That's exactly what this whole video has been like. I actually don't like the texture.
Same.
Aloo paratha wala part made me want more aloo paratha. Chicken wrap I still enjoyed.
It was more like a pan-fried dumpling with a thin layer. मतलब वो तो
But I would
same ही था.
prefer the dumpling, actual dumpling wala wrapper. These are just so weird because they have a very like rubbery texture. And if you're not a fan of that texture, like these recipes are just pointless. You're not going to enjoy it.
Do not try this at home because we don't suggest कि अच्छा है मतलब नहीं बोल रहे आप करने चाहिए.
I'm just gonna take this out of the rice paper and eat the filling because it's actually tasty. But you can just make it with plain yogurt and fruit. This we don't need to do.
मेरे को नहीं पसंद आया ये पूरा concept. It's just
If the chewy texture doesn't bother you, you might enjoy these recipes. But to me, in all three of the dishes that we tried, the chewy texture that the rice paper has is just making me feel really weird. Like I really like the second recipe also, the chicken wrap. But again, I felt like the rice paper in the end is just so. The rice paper is not my vibe. Especially like cooked like this. I really enjoy rice noodles. I have rice noodles all the time, minimum once in the week or maybe twice in the week also. I actually had rice noodles last night for dinner, so I love rice noodles, but rice paper I'm not really vibing with it so much. But that's my final verdict. Now I'm gonna take this coating off and go eat the fruits with the yogurt, which tastes really good. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps you decide better if you want to try all of this or not. But yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.